Ano ba ang mission and vision ng company niyo?
So, yung mission and vision ng company namin, yung mission is gusto namin talaga to help mga local brands na with quality product, with good product that really helps a problem, that really solves a problem nung target market nila. We want to help them na maging go-to brand, na maging household brand. So, yun yung goal talaga namin, yun yung mission namin is to really help yung mga brands na maging household brand sila, na parang maging go-to brand sila. Like for example nga, yung kanina sabi ko, pag toothpaste, pag sinabing toothpaste, Colgate agad yung nasa isip ko. Pag sinabing sabon, Safeguard agad. Parang gusto namin maging ganon. Kaya very picky rin kami sa mga clients na namin. Tinitingnan talaga namin na quality ba yung product, kung okay ba siya talaga, nagsisolve ba talaga siya ng problem ng target market niya, ng market niya. So, yun yung talagang mission namin sa agency. Yung vision naman namin, yung grand vision naman namin is, syempre kapag natulungan mo na yung mga brand na yon na maging household, maging malaking company sila, they can produce more jobs.
Yes.
Diba? And ako talaga, personally, ito talaga yung pinaka-vision ko din is ma-inspire nila yung mga younger entrepreneurs, yung younger generation to innovate more, to solve more problems, to create more valuable products. Hindi lang basta mag-create ng business. Kasi madali naman mag-create ng business eh. But yung product na it really solves a problem, di ba? It takes time and effort and pag-aaral talaga para maano mo dun, and heart, para talaga maka-create ka and maging ka na yung product ko, yung business ko, it really solves a problem. Talaga, it helps the community, ganun.
Actually, kasi ang mission and vision, dun kasi patungo yung company nyo. Hindi kayo mag-work hard, hindi lalabas yung passion nyo if wala kayong mission and vision.
Yes, parang yun yung direction namin. Even with our team members, actually, pag nag-onboard kami ng team members, sinasabi ko na agad yan, this is our mission and this is our vision. Are you in? Parang gusto mo ba kaming samahan dito sa vision namin? Do you really want to help din yung mga clients para maging successful sila and marating natin tong vision na to? Kasi ako, as a mom, gusto ko mga anak ko maging negosyante din. Kasi gusto ko maging negosyante ever since na bata ako eh. Pero diba, we cannot enforce it to them na, maging negosyante ka ha. Lalo na sa kabataan ngayon, hindi. Alam nila kung ano yung gusto nila. But if you will inspire them, if you will create more business owner na ka-inspire, diba?
Tsaka yung purpose na bakit nyo ba ginagawa yung negosyo.
Sila mismo, yung mga bata mismo, sila mismo, gusto ko rin maging ganyan, gusto ko rin maging negosyante katulad niya, to create valuable products, good business, diba? So, I want yung mga younger generation to be inspired dun sa mga client na tinutulungan namin ngayon. Diba? So, yun yung grand vision talaga.